Hello children, a warm welcome to you all. Welcome to our English class. Today let us start our revision with articles. You know very well when we use these articles and where we use these articles. How many articles we have? A, an, and the, right? So we use these articles before the nouns. A is used before a singular noun and also if it has a consonant sound. An is used before a vowel sound and the is used before a noun if it is mentioned in particular. Understood children? So I have done few for you, the remaining you need to do. Let us see. My mother baked dash cake. So the right article is a cake because cake is a noun. C, the letter has been started with a consonant letter and also it is a singular. So we use a before a singular nouns. Cake, it is only one. So we use a before the singular nouns also. Second one. We waited for dash hour for the school bus. Here, don't get confused as I already told you. If you see the spelling of R, H-O-U-R, H is a consonant, but you need to spell the word. When you spell the word, if it sounds consonant, you need to write A. But when you spell the word, if it sounds vowel, you need to write an. That is the reason I always tell you to spell the word and then write the correct article. So when you spell the word R, here O. We are spelling as O. O sound is coming, right? Where O is a vowel. That is the reason an is written here. Third one. We heard dash owl hooting in the night. So owl, O. So an is the right answer. I have dash uncle who lives on a boat. So choose the right article children. Fifth one. Dash land is the king of the forest. So they are mentioning which animal it is, right? So choose the correct article. Sixth one. Vinod knows how to play dash tabla. Here we have seen few rules for the usage of the. Like the is used before the nouns, like if the noun is a well-known statue or building or places or any musical instruments or any title of the books, etc. Right? So here Vinod knows how to play dash tabla. So tabla is an instrument. So check which article you need to write there. Seventh one. Dash giraffe has a long neck. You need to choose the right answer. Have you read dash Ramayana? Here the noun is Ramayana. So they are mentioning the particular book name. Just now as I told you, the is used before the well-known statues, buildings, places, musical instruments, title of the books, etc. Right? So Ramayana is a book. So you need to choose the right answer. Have you read dash Ramayana? The old man asked. So I have skipped the old man asked. I have skipped asked. No problem. When you write, please write down. Next, second bit. Pick out the verbs from each sentence and name the tense of each. So here few sentences I have given. Yesterday we have done by identifying the verbs from the sentences. we have written the base form, right? So today you need to identify the verbs and you need to write down the tense of that particular verb, what kind of tense it is, whether it is a simple past, simple present, simple future, or present continuous, or past continuous, or future continuous, whatever it is. Few I have done for you. Let us see. First one, mother was cooking lunch. Here what is a verb? Was cooking. Was is a helping verb, cooking is a verb, right? So here was cooking, you need to underline. And what is the tense form of was cooking, children? Was is past tense. We use was for past tense, right? So was cooking, cooking ing form. Ing means it is continuous. So the correct tense form is past continuous. For was cooking, you need to write the tense as past continuous. Like this, you need to identify the tense forms, children. Was means past tense. Continuous, like cooking, ing form. Ing form is for future tenses, right? Future and continuous tenses. So past continuous. Like this, you need to identify. Second one, they are building a bridge over the river. Here, what is an action word? What is a verb? Are building. That is the reason I have underlined it. Are building is a verb. Are is a helping verb. Building is an action word, right? If you observe, are is used for present tense. Am, are used for present tense, right? Building, again ing form. So the correct tense form is present continuous. If you have any doubts, as I told you when in our interactive session, I have told you to open page number 33 in your grammar book, right? If you are perfect with that page, you can identify easily any kind of tense. Next, third one. So I have done 2 for you. The remaining you need to do, children. Yamini is writing a letter to her grandmother. In this, what is an action word? What is a verb? Is writing, right? So here you need to identify what kind of tense it is. Next, fourth one. Arun fell asleep while our teacher was telling us a story. So what is an action word here? I can find 2 words. One is fell asleep and another one is was telling. So 2 verbs are there, children. Don't blindly think that in every sentence we can find only one. No, if you read the sentence properly, sometimes we can find 2, 3 also. Only thing is you need to read the sentence properly and you need to understand the concept of verbs. Verb means action, right? So here we can find 2 verbs, fell asleep, was telling. So now you need to tell me what kind of tense form it is. Next, fifth one. 8 men are rowing the boat. Here the T is been missed, children. So add T. 8 men are rowing the boat. Here in this sentence, what is the action word? Rowing. What is the helping verb? Are rowing. For this, what is the tense form you can write? Check it out. Sixth one. The swallows flew away to a warm land. So what is the action? You need to find out. I'm not going to say here. Next. We shall be going to Delhi soon. So what is an action word here? Try to identify. Shall be going. So shall, when we use this shall, will for future tenses, right? So shall be going. Try to write the correct tense form for this verb. Eighth one. The Indian team will be going to England this summer. So what is an action word here? What is the verb? Will be, going, will. You know very well when will and shall will be used, right? So write down the correct tense form. Third bit, write the past tense form of these words. We have already discussed these past tense forms, right? First one I have done for you, clap. So the past tense form of clap is clapped. Here the word has been ended with a consonant letter, right? So you need to add one more consonant and you need to add ed form to convert it into the past tense form. So that is the reason we have added one more p and added ed. Next, second one, hurry, hurry, hurry. Here, as I already told you that y, if any verb is being ending with y, you need to convert that y to I and you need to add ed. Next, third one, beg. As the word beg has been ended with a consonant G, you need to add one more consonant and you need to add ed form. Then you will get the correct past tense form of the word. Next, close. If any word is being ending with E, what you have to do? You need to drop that E and you need to add ed, right? Next, fifth one, cry. The same thing, the word has been ended with y. As I told you, if the verb has been ended with y, then what you have to do? You need to convert that y to I, right? And add ed form. Next, sixth one, enjoy. Here the word enjoy with y and before y there is a vowel, that is O. If there is a vowel before y, then you need to add ed. So these are the three different worksheets I'm giving you. So not worksheets, three different topics I have covered since we have very less time. As this is only the revision part and you are very much familiar with all these, I know you can easily do the work. Still, if you have any doubts, please go through the video of this respective topic, children. For tenses, just be perfect with the page 33 in your grammar book. That is a very simple concept. If you understand that concept, then everything you can do on your tips. You need to do this work in your English HW, children. Thank you. Have a nice day.